and welcome to Daily Dose of Tarot Guidance, where you get readings for yourself in just 1 minute and 11 seconds. Hopefully you had a great day yesterday and today will be an awesome day for you guys. Today's pick card reading topic is, what are your colleagues saying about you? The people who work with you when you are not at the table with them, what they think about you, what they talk about to you with each other, to the superiors, to the juniors, what is their point of view in regards to you. We'll try to uncover all of that in 1 minute and 11 seconds for you guys. But of course, if you're interested in long format videos, that too in Hindi language, you can check out my another channel where I try to deliver readings almost on alternate days. But here we are with 3 piles for you to select from. So choose one pile that connect most to you, and then I'll directly catch you at your reading telling you the POV of your colleagues. Hello to the people who have chosen here the pile number 1. Well, your colleagues are definitely very much impressed by you guys. They think that you are someone who knows a lot of things, but at the same time you are someone who is not a show off at all. So maybe you are skilled in certain skills, or you have certain qualifications or mastery on certain things, but you are not someone who is too much on the face. But at the same time, when someone asks for your help, you are more than ready to help them. You go out of your way, you teach them important skills, tricks, and then at that time you show how much you are in depth aware of a certain subject and how much well you know that thing. Also, they are very much impressed that how good you are at actually imparting that education. You do not really gatekeep the things with you, and that is why you show the sign of a true person, true leader, even if it is your colleagues at the same level. You are happy to help them, you are happy to show them the right way and path, but also not show off at the very same time. Hello and welcome to the people who have chosen here pile number 2. Well, what I can see here your colleagues think about is that sometimes you are a bit confused and sometimes you are a bit adamant. So they think you are a very sweet person, but at the same time you are someone who gets lot of confusions in their head and you are not sure what you are doing or what you are saying. Your colleagues saying you have a good heart, but sometimes because you're overthinking, you overpower your heart by your brain, and sometimes you take those decisions that even you are not sure of. So if you are saying someone is something that's very passive aggressive or something that really doesn't make sense, your colleagues do give you a benefit of doubt, or they really don't let your things go past at the very first conversation, because they feel like that maybe whatever you said, it was just in the heat of the moment, you really did not mean it, or you overthought or over contemplated on a certain thing, and that is why a certain statement was released. So your colleagues think that sometimes you're too confused because of the overthinking, but you are a nice person. Hello to the people who have chosen pile number 3. Well, you carry that boss energy, diva energy, that you don't need anything and you are very much content by yourself. So firstly, I don't know why, but your colleagues do have the impression that even if you don't work or even if you don't do this particular job, you will be fine. Like you are just doing it to add more money to your account or just to pass your time. Like you can do something that's much better than this. Even if at some point you are asked to leave this company or this job, it won't really bother you. You will somehow manage to get to some other better company, to some better job, or another way of going ahead and doing something about your career. They feel like you are someone who is very creative, and because of your creativity and the vision you have in your mind, you definitely have more than one earning options. You have passive income options, or somehow you can figure out something. They are also impressed by how content you are. They are also impressed that you are someone who is really not interested in office politics but only working on yourself, and they are very impressed.